Hey everybody, James here with Project Paperweight. On my way to work right now. Last night, got on Z1motorsports.com, free plug, and ordered a new set of front lower control arm bushings, compression rod bushings, and suspension sleeve bushings, or I'm sorry, strut sleeve bushings. Either way, energy suspension is where it's at. Polyurethane stuff is the best for street drivability and track drivability all in one package, and I didn't want the car to rattle apart. So today I am going to take my factory control arm bushings and press them out with a shop press, and I'm going to get a little bit of footage of that today, and we will see how it goes. I'm hoping that my little $99 jegs.com shop press will be enough. There's another free plug, but it's kind of weak, so we're gonna hope for the best and see what happens. So let's go do it. Let's go do it across the street with the hydraulic. Alright, so we tried to press them out with the hand press. That didn't work. When it comes to ball joints, when it comes to bushings, control arm bushings, man, it's a lot of pressure to get them in and out. So I'm over here at BMW, and we're going to use some shop equipment that I can't afford to have on my own, but it's going to work. Watch this. So I'm going to take this and put it in here. We're using a socket as our cup. We put that on there, plate over the top of it. We're going to see if we can get Certainly it's out by now. We'll have to pull it up and see. It is out. Alright, now I got to repress the socket back out of the cup. So let's get to that. There we go. Just lift it and see what's done. Nice and clean. Doesn't look like there's any marring to it. I think that's going to work perfectly. Let's get the rest of them done. Well, now that we're done with that, I may have made just a slight miscalculation and sheared off a little bit of that, but it's so thin, I'm actually going to try to put the bushing in regardless. I think it'll be okay. I'm gonna lube it up. It's all polyurethane, so I'm gonna shave that down, make sure it's not marred at all, and then we're gonna put it in. So we'll see how this goes when it's time.